Yes. Charles, what are you doing out so early in the morning? Well, I thought it'd be just good to be out on my own. I just really do fancy... I mean, I'm not often out on my own, so today I've decided every Tuesday I'm going to go out on my own. Why not? You know, I've been... For over 60 years, I've had everyone around me all the time, and I just thought it'd be more fun to be on my own. So I've stepped outside the palace rather early, the day before the royal wedding, and from today on, I'm going to go out on my own once a week and meet... I'm a little bit nervous, actually. I'm going to go and meet the people of Great Britain. That's what I'm going to do. So... why do you want to go out on your own, though? Why do you want to meet the people of Great Britain, Charles? Well, the thing is, I go on all these royal events and meeting different people. I mean, wonderful times and wonderful people. But the thing is, I never actually get to talk to anyone for very long. So I thought, I'd just like to talk to English people properly. You know, the people of Great Britain are wonderful. And tomorrow's my son's royal wedding. And are you going to be there? Well, I'm kind of going to be there. I might actually just slip out and just talk to the people of London and the world and America and Australia. I just want to meet real people and go to a cafe and just have a normal chat, you know. I just want to do normal things. I don't want all these sort of people around me all the time. I mean, they're lovely, the officials and secretaries and everybody, but... why not just go out on your own? And I want to encourage, other people to go out on their own. Go to the beach and go to the forests and the I don't know, it's just... I just feel like I want to spread how wonderful the earth is. So, Charles, you will be there tomorrow. You are going to come back into the palace. I'm going to go back in, but I feel like I'm free, Duncan. I'm free, that's what it is. So, I don't know, maybe tomorrow I won't be in the Abbey. Maybe I'll have a look-alike in there and I'll be out chatting to the people of Great Britain. And of course, reading my favourite newspaper, and you know which one that is. Right, I'd better go because there's a few police around and I think they may be worried. They're looking at me while I'm out. So, I'll tell you what, where are you going to go now? I'm going to walk up the road and go to a little cafe at the back of the palace and have a bacon roll and some sausages. And a cup of British tea. Right, see you then, Charles. Bye-bye. Oh, I can't wait.